Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and join us as we feature this furnished modern contemporary home with pool located in exclusive subdivision here in Clark. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start, pero gusto ko munang pakita sa inyo yung mga LED strip natin sa ating property. Look at our property. From your view, ang dami niyang mga ilaw na pinapakita. Parang pag sobrang dark na, kita mo yung, alam mo yun, yung form ng mismong property because of those lights. Ang ganda, di ba? This property has a 300 square meter floor area at ang kanyang lot area ay 246 square meters. You have your two-car carport, slope yan. Elevated yung property natin, but of course, hindi naman po, this is a flood-free community. Also, sa harap, you have a simple landscaping dito sa aking left, and you can add more plants dito naman sa aking right. At sinasadya kong tumalikod para makita nyo yung Blueprint Properties Pampanga jacket ko. But aside from that, of course, I want you to look at your entrance gate, pedestrian gate. Sobrang luwang niya. Diba, ang luwang. Pasok na tayo. And pagpasok mo, very aesthetic yung makikita mo. You have a plant box, may mga steps ka dito, elevated yung ating porch, and they have a very pretty wide window, katabi nung yung massive door or your solid door. Tapos medyo nakikita mo na yung sa loob dahil sa ilaw. Very pretty. You also have your garden here. Pasilipin ko kayo dito. Look at that. Pwede mo tong gawing padagdagan pa ng mga plants, and that is your lanai going to your pool area. And lipat tayo dito sa ating carport. Two-car carport. This is your fully covered two-car carport. Tignan mo yan. Sobrang luwang. Dalawang sasakyan. Diyan kayo. Look, oh. Diba ang luwang niya? Oh, tas fully covered pa siya. So you can put the van, SUV, dalawang van. If you have cars, pwede rin. Hindi naman siya sasaya doon sa slope natin, so perfect siya. What I love about this property also, pwede mo siyang ikutin. Nakita niyo yung kanina, di ba there's the pool? Meron kang access here. At kung doon, garden yung iyong dadaanan, dito naman, concrete siya. So I want you to see this view. Papakita din natin to later. This can be your drying area, and then nandyan na yung iyong service area, auxiliary kitchen, and that way, kung nakita niyo yung door na yon, yun yung sa pool pump natin. So makikita natin yung pool area natin doon mamaya. Pero syempre, mamaya na natin yung papakita. Papasok muna tayo at ipapakita natin ang furnished property natin. And pagpasok mo, ang gusto ko dito, pagpasok mo, kita mo na diretso yung ating property or yung lahat, or yung kita mo ng diretso yung ating bahay. So this is your living area. Nakita nyo ba kung gaano ka-spacious dito pagpasok mo? Diba? Sobrang luwang. Pwede mo nga pang extend yung ano dito. Yung iyong sofa. Ang ganda rin ng kanyang sofa. And look at this TV. Ang laki, diba? Pwede ka mag-report ng weather dito. Ganun siya kalaki. Your TV console, meron kang mga drawers dyan, may mga shelves ka rin, at lighted din sila. May mga LED lights din sila, or LED strips din sila. Look at your chandelier, very modern. Lakad. Mapapansin mo may space ka pa na maglakad going to your dining area. Diba? Ang luwang niya, kasi halimbawa yung iyong sofa, pwede mo siyang lakihan pa if you want. Your dining area, if you want na habaan mo pa siya, make it yung round, pwede rin. And this part, ano ba ang naiisip niyong pwede pang ilagay dito? Additional table perhaps, like for example, if you have gatherings, dahil nandito lang yung ating pool area. But before that, I want to show you your kitchen kasi favorite ko to. This kitchen is my favorite. So you have your breakfast nook here, or your nook, your preparation area. Nandito rin yung iyong metal gun color na sink. Single bowl, pero it's really wide. Malaki siya. And meron ka pang pump dyan for your dishwashing liquid. Pag Pagpasok mo dito, you have your dishwasher, which is, of course, that is included. And ang aking paborito, ang mga cabinet pull-outs. You have your trash bin. Meron kang isa pang, pwede mo pang lagyan ng pull-out yan or just your storage. You have your dish pull-out. You have drawers. Cutlery drawers. 1 and 2. And then, lastly, you have your carousel type half moon pull out. Sobrang na-maximize yung space natin under your preparation area. And very wide ang yung preparation area. This is your cooking area. You have your oven, cooktop, your range hood, and of course, meron ka rin mga cabinets dyan sa taas. Modular cabinets. Malaki to, oh. Like, if you want to put a bigger trash bin, pwede mo dyan ilagay. Your refrigerator, of course, that is included. Meron ka pang cabinet dyan sa taas. Brand new yan, guys. Tingnan naman, oh. Diba? And also, you have your powder room. Bago tayo umakyat, pakita natin yung ating powder room. And meron kang bedroom dito sa yung ground floor. This can be your guest room or kung ikaw ang owner, dito ka na, you want to grow old na dito sa property na to, perfect na yan. Queen size bed. At mapapansin mo, meron kang ensuite toilet and bath. So yung toilet and bath, you have a vessel type sink. Vessel type sink, tempered glass partition of course, and then ito na yung iyong shower area. Floor to ceiling tiles at paganda rin po ang tiles natin sa floor dahil hindi po siya madulas. I'm just checking because I'm looking at dahil wala akong nakitang, what you call this, heater dun sa labas. So, multi-point tayo. So, meaning pati ito, mainit din yung water natin. Alright, let's go. Pakita natin yung sa ating dining area. Here, itong part na to, bago dumilim, kasi padilim na. Kanina isip ko, anong pwede mo lagay dito? Like, if you have gathering, pwede yan. You have additional table para dun sa may pool area. Or, meron kang lanay. At meron ka ng coffee table and, ayan, rattan chair. You can add more plants dito. Pwede ka mag-add ng plants. And of course, dito yung ating pool area. Malaki yung pool natin, guys. Hindi pa lang namin mabuksan kasi inaayos pa yung sa mga kuryente here. So, ayan, meron yung mga, I think alam mo yung mga parang waterfalls doon sa side na yon and may mga mini waterfalls din sila dyan. Tapos ang luwang-luwang, may decking ka rin. You have your shower area here. Meron ka pang table and chairs dito. Maluwang din dito, pwede maglaro ang mga bata. At meron kang service kitchen. Yung service kitchen mo, nakalabas siya dun sa house. Also, this can also be your kasambahays, personal, or kung gusto nilang dito magluto, pwede na kasi nandito yung maid's room nila. Pagpasok natin dito, you have your maid's room, which is, pwede ka maglagay ng bunk bed na single bed, actually, single na double deck. And then, nandito yung ating CR. Ayan. There's your full bath, of course, for your kasambahay. Itong side na to, this one, yan yung palabas kanina sa ating carport. And let's go back. Pasok na tayo. Pupunta tayo sa second floor at makita natin lahat ng ating mga rooms. Dito tayo papasok sa isang entrance natin. Ang ganda ng view dito, no? Look at that. Okay, this is your stairwell. At akit na tayo para sa other rooms natin. This is your landing. Spacious yung landing natin, di ba? Ang ganda. Tsaka kung mapapansin nyo yung stairs natin, stairs natin, di ba? Pwedeng, two-way. May kasabayan kang umakyat, sobrang wide niya. And then, meron kang step lights. Very safe pag halimbawa bababa ka ng gabi. Pag-akyat natin, rooms na lahat to. Mamaya na tayo dyan. Dito muna tayo. And I want to show you the cabinets. Perfect for your shoes, bags, Diba? Or yung mga linens, mga kumot, pwede dyan. First bedroom sa second floor. Ayan. Ang ganda. Actually, ito yung favorite ko kasi meron siyang balcony. So, look and see, you have your queen size bed and dito yung iyong ensuite toilet and bath. So, lahat ng ating mga rooms may ensuite toilet and bath. Same design ng nasa baba, tempered glass partition, floor to ceiling tiles, and you have toilet, vessel type sink, and multi-point din ang ating heater. Yes, multi-point ang ating heater. So, mainit din yung tubig sa ating faucet. Pag punta natin dyan, mamaya na to. I just love the balcony. Kailangan ko ng hangin. This is your balcony. Ang luwang, no? Ang ganda ng balcony. This is your balcony. Favorite ko tong room na to. Tapos meron ka na ring tables and chairs dito. Time check, it's 6:30 ngayon. So you have a very nice view of your neighborhood dito at napaka-presko. Pagpasok natin, nakita nyo na yung bathroom. So now I'll show you the cabinets. Meron kang cabinets dyan. Diba? There. Okay. Next, punta na tayo sa next bedroom natin. Next, dito, we have another bedroom. Again, lahat ng rooms natin with ensuite toilet and bath. So, may bathroom lahat ng ating mga, tawag dito, bedrooms. Cabinets. Same lang din naman ang design ng cabinet sa kabila. So, ganyan din tayo sa cabinet natin. And, uy, may TV! Hindi ko napansin yung kanina may TV din pala yon. Sorry. So, TV, ayan, tapos maluwang siya pag lumakad ka. You have your bathroom. Your bathroom, same design. Vessel type sink. Toilet, tempered glass partition. And of course, ayan, may shower. May stainless steel shower set tayo. Wala kang makikitang mga butas dyan dahil nga multi-point tayo. Nandito yung ating heater. Ganda ng mirror natin, Sir Darwin. No? Diba? Ayaw niyang pakita. Wala siyang balcony pero meron siyang, well, it has a mini balcony. Usually kasi what I call yung mga ganito, mga view deck. Ito. Pero pwede pa rin siyang balcony kasi pwede ka pa maglagay ng chair dito. Diba? Yung isa, meron kang malaking balcony. Ito, meron din. Let's check the other rooms kung meron sila. Let's go. Alam niyo, ang bigat ng doors. Ganun siya ka-solid. Solid doors talaga. And even the handles, yung mga ganito, may pressure yung mga ganyang klaseng handles. Another room, so 1, 2, 3rd room sa second floor. Wow. Of course, you have your cabinet. Same design din. Nag-iiba lang sila ng colors. Pero this design the same. TV, meron siya. Of course, you also have your ensuite toilet and bath. Vessel type sink. Toilet, tempered glass partition, floor to ceiling tiles. Your stainless steel shower set. May niche ka dito. At ang color niya, yan. Ang ganda ng colors ng mga bathroom kasi bukod sa maganda yung tiles natin, hindi namumuti. Very neutral yung color. So if you want to add mga speakers or flowers, succulents, pwede ka mag-add. Vessel type sink, and of course, multi-point yung ating heater. Katulad nung kanina, meron din siyang, tada! Meron ka rin balcony. Medyo intimate tong balcony na to kasi, compared sa ibang balcony, mas tago siya. No? Mas tago yung balcony na to. Mas maluwang. Actually, maluwang din siya. Pwede ka maglagay kita nyo ba? Pwede ka maglagay ng chair. Pwede pa nga yung, katulad yung nandun sa may lanay, pwede yun. Kasya pa rin yun dito. At hindi, makakagalaw ka pa rin talaga. Alright, let's go. Next. At of course, lastly, actually, pag akyat mo sa stairs, una mong dadatnan yung master's bedroom. Pero diba, hinuhuli natin talaga yun. This is your master's. Look at that. Ang bigat ng door. Oh, okay. So, ito yung master's bedroom natin. Meron kang table here. I think they might put a chair dito kasi study area siya eh. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating dalawang bedside drawers, meron din silang for wireless charging. So, pareho. Both sides, good for wireless charging. Gusto ko lang i-emphasize yung chandelier natin dito. Alam mo yung mga ano bang medieval age? I'm sorry if mali yung term ko, but yung mga parang may mga kandila sila. Ganun, no? Pero modern design siya. So nice. Very, very classy. Habang meron tayo dito. So, may window ka dito. And then, look at yung space here. Going to your TV console. Meron ka pang TV. And ang luwang dito, pwede ka maglagay ng Cleopatra or another sofa. Pwede ka pang mag-add dito. What else do you have? You also have balcony. So, lahat ng rooms natin sa second floor, lahat po may balcony. Yeah. What's special about this one? You have a view of the pool area. So, pagpunta mo dito, ayan. Yung balcony na nakikita mo sa pool area mo, that is your master's bedroom. This is your pool area. Sobrang, ang ganda ng pool natin. Sobrang laki. Even yung pool area natin, parang ang daming mag-i-enjoy pag nandun sila. To my right, this is your vanity area. I hope I can, oh, that's nice. Diba? There. You have your vanity area, and meron ka mga cabinets dito. This is your walk-in closet. Uy, perfect for your shoes. Perfect for your bags, ladies. Tapos nakikita mo sila kasi clear glass yung window natin. This side, hindi ka naman mauubusan para sa mga damit. Kaya, ayan. Dami. Here also. Yan. At saka, diretso siya doon. So, kasya pa yung nandoon. Dami, di ba? And of course, this is your master's bathroom. Yan, buksan natin. Mas maluwang yung ating sink. And may mga drawers tayo sa baba. Mas madami tayong drawers sa baba. This is enclosed shower area. There you go. What do you call this? Enclosed tempered glass partition. And then you have stainless steel shower set. Floor to ceiling tile. Same yung color. Magkaiba lang yung design kasi this one, unclosed siya. Vessel type sink din siya. And malaki yung iyong mirror. Yan, pwede mong palitan yung color. This is for your task lights. Yan. And then, of course, multi-point din siya. Kaya hot and cold rin yung ating faucet. I think that's it. Kaya, let's go for our recap. And for our recap, this is again a furnished modern contemporary home with pool located in an exclusive subdivision near Clark, Freeport Zones. When we say near Clark, talagang I think 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport, Korean Town, malapit din po dito, and other major business establishment. May mga hotels, you have restaurants, yung mga nakikita yung trending sa TikTok, guys. Nandiyan lang po sa paligid ang mga yan. Hospitals, markets, malls, university, so malapit po dito sa property nito. Also, this is one of the sought-after subdivisions here in Angeles City. Exclusive talaga itong subdivision na ito. 24-hour security service, and then very mahigpit din po ang ating security dun sa gate natin dito sa subdivision na ito. Now, pagdating naman sa ating property, ang ating floor area ay 300 square meters floor area. Our lot area ay 246 square meters lot area. And all our 5 bedrooms, so we have 1 bedroom sa ating ground floor with ensuite toilet and bath. And then we have 4 bedrooms that includes your master's bedroom sa second floor, all with ensuite toilet and bath. And lahat ng rooms natin sa second floor, lahat sila may mga balcony din. Ayun, what else? Furnished. Pagpunta nyo, pwede na kayo magstay. I love the kitchen cabinet pull-outs. Sobrang, like, for some, it might be a little thing. Pero for those who love to cook, sa mga moms din, very useful po talaga mga pull-outs. Lalo yung mga trash bin, yung mga, and na-maximize yung space natin sa mga cabinets natin. The pool area, the pool size, perfect talaga siya for families, family gatherings. The decking, yung pool side natin, you have your lanai. Also, yung space natin dito, ina-anticipate na yung mga get-togethers natin. Perfect po yung size natin dito. Napaka-thoughtful din na meron na tayong mga coffee tables sa labas, sa may lanai natin. Even dun sa balcony natin, favorite ko talaga yung room na yon, yung may balcony. Meron na, lilagyan na siya ng coffee table. So, that's very thoughtful. And, of course, yung space. Kung makikita nyo, pagpasok nyo palang kanina, kita mo na yung buong loob, yung buong property natin. yung space natin, di ba? Hindi makipot, hindi basta-basta yung, hindi pinagkasya lang yung mga furnitures natin, but really, pwede ka pa nga mag-adjust para palakihin pa yung mga ibang, yung tables, even yung sofa. Yun, so perfect. And also, the community po is flood-free. Sa mga concern po, dahil alam ko may mga nag-a-ask, is that a flood-free community? Yun yung mga dalas tinatanong pag sa mga house tours natin. Is it flood-free? Yes, it is flood-free. Kahit na po nakita niyong elevated yung property natin, flood-free po ang ating community. For sure, nakita niyo na yung mga reels natin, and some may have had their scheduled their trippings. Pero kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-schedule ng tripping, you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo po kami sa aming Facebook page, Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. We also have TikTok, BP Pampanga. And we now have our website, www.blueprintpropertiespampanga.com. Check it out. Ayan po ang ating website. Andito rin po ang ating mga contact details. You can book your trippings din po sa akin sa Instagram or TikTok. Nagpo-post ako ng mga reels natin before sa full video din. And lalo, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Sa mga wala naman pong social media handles, makikita nyo naman po sa description ng aming mga contact details. You also have different numbers for different platforms, messaging platforms such as WhatsApp. We have Viber, email, ang aming mobile numbers nandyan din po. Kaya please, if you're interested, message na po kayo sa amin. Ayan. Sa mga nanonood po ngayon, thank you so much for following us here on YouTube. Sa mga hindi pa naka-follow, sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe, if you like this video, please give us a like, and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.